To fully understand wildland fires, we figured we should first understand the misconceptions. So we posed that to ecologist Matt Jolly.
The most common misconception is that all fire is bad. We know that fire fills an important role in the ecosystem. The only time that people see a fire, either in person or in the news, they see it as this raging thing that's racing towards homes, that's impacting people.
Entire canopy is going up in flames.
But the majority of fire that we have is far away from populated areas and has the potential to fill an important role in the ecosystem.
It's easy to see how fire is often viewed in a negative way, but that's where someone like Matt, an ecologist who studies ecosystems, can help shed light on the bigger picture.
I always relate fire to like giving the forest a bath. Fire cleans out all of the undergrowth. It stimulates new productive plant growth. A lot of the forest types that we have throughout the West, they're promoted by fire. The only way that those trees regenerate is actually to burn them. They have cones that are serotinous, which means that they're basically glued shut until fire heats them up and releases the seeds. Without fire, we don't maintain these healthy ecosystems the way that we should.
And besides fire maintaining the natural ecosystem, it turns out it can also keep us safer.
Fire itself can limit the spread of other fires. In the wilderness areas, a fire will burn up to an old fire scar and go out. So we create what looks like a big quilt, a big giant mosaic across the landscape. Small fires, big fires, all create barriers to larger fire spread. So it actually creates a healthier system by having smaller, more frequent fires than larger high-intensity fires that we always see on the news.
If there's one message that everyone who studies fire tells us, it's this.
There's always good fire, and we need to move more towards an understanding of fire's role in the bigger picture, because ultimately we know that if we had more latitude to manage fire across landscapes, it wouldn't take very long for us to create this mosaic pattern that would almost prevent the kind of fires that we're seeing now by not putting every single fire out every time. We're allowing fire to fill its role in the ecosystem while we manage and help society understand why we're doing it.
Thanks for watching this short about some of the complexities of fire out west. Clearly, finding the balance between society's expectations of fire and the natural ecosystem's need of fire is tricky. Learn more about what scientists know about fire in the rest of this series by following the links below.